Hello friends, this is Rajiv and today's video I am going to show how to create Instagram post banner in Photoshop. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I create a new page, press Ctrl N. I take 1000 into 1000 pixel page, press OK. Now I take rectangle tool and draw like this. One more type, select a rectangle tool and drag like this and select path selection tool and press Alt and drag. You can see now Ctrl T and adjust according to your design like this. Press Alt and do duplicate and do Ctrl T and change the color like this and drag to bottom. After that, I take ellipse tool and create ellipse very small. You can see and select path selection tool and press Alt and copy like this. You can see all the circles creates in one layer. And press Alt and copy. Six times like this. Group all the circle layer and right click and merge group and do Ctrl T and set according to your requirement. Select rectangle tool layer and press Ctrl J for duplicate and drag bottom and select rectangle tool and change the color like this. Now select one more time rectangle tool and create a button for roundness 5 pixel. It's not sufficient, 10 pixel and do black color like this. And now I open the image drag in the file and do convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T and adjust according to your design. In this rectangle tool like this. Now I am going to copy the text. Select and do Ctrl C and come to Photoshop and do paste like this. And I set font. Like this. I'm using gradient in this text, so go to new adjustment layer, choose gradient overlay. So select the text layer and go to effects and choose gradient overlay. You can choose gradient according to your design. I think this gradient looking good, and I choose very bold font. And 50% off. Also select very bold font. And to get font, select very light. Like this, and reduce the spacing. Do Ctrl T and little bit bigger, like this, and copy shop now and paste it to, and increase the font size and select the font. Gotham bold, like this. Up the layer, and select the font color is white, and change the color, choose white color. Now copy 31st May and type last date, May 31st. Reduce the font size like this, and change the font to black, little bit gray, and choose light font, like this. Also I type terms and condition apply and paste it like this, and reduce the font size. Now the Instagram post banner is ready. So I will meet with you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.